all times. And please supervise your children.
Whale. Did you say whale?
Now, most people travel to enchanting worlds to the pages of a book, but for those that are able to travel there in person, they often find the way to be quite magical. And even amazing. But don't worry, friends of mine, as we're traveling through the jaws of the whale, we will be transported to a magical world called Storybook Land.
It's a dog.
Our story today begins with a big dog called He lives in that cave just in the He's always after the three little pigs. The lucky dude lives just across the way in those three houses. One house made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of beds who both were little friends. Our story now takes a strange turn, so just around that riverbed is a way to the village, which is home to Alice. One day, after she follows a white rabbit down the rabbit hole, and down, down, down into another rabbit fell. Things only became curiouser and curiouser for him. Just across the way is London Park. The Peter Pan and the Darling children took their first flight over to Neverland. And instead of what to think about yesterday, because it would never ever have to go up. Straight ahead is Vagabond, the City of Mystery and Enchantment. These three men named Aladdin, don't take your Princess Jasmine in the marketplace and stole her heart. Now, although the two were from two different worlds, the power of love and the hope of achieving their marriage, now they live in the Sultan's palace. These magical places is where love shines. Just living for the nice and ultramarine stars above us. The very same old Princess Jasmine and Aladdin first sailed up and under on a magic carpet ride into a whole new world. Up ahead is the Cave of Wonders. This treasure bears a curse that will only be lifted by the genie and the lamp. Legend has it that whoever wishes the genie three will be granted three wishes. And the wishes siren sees it come true. Snow White wished to be free from the evil queen, and when she came upon that cozy cottage to the right, the seven dwarfs gave her shelter and returned her kindness. And just across the way, Cinderella wished to go to the ball, but her wicked stepmother forbade her, leaving her in her blue chateau on her left. Luckily, she had her fairy godmother who granted her wish, until she didn't return home by midnight and her carriage turned back into a pumpkin, and she went up there on that bridge. Now, although magic does have its limits, love does not, and Cinderella lives happily ever after. Like wishes they inspire our stories here. Some are dreams of a happily ever after, but others are dreams of drifting off to sleep on a hill of quilted flowers. Those are the ones on our left, which is inspired by the 1933 So Kitty cartoon called Canal.
Yes. No more.
There is magic all throughout Storybook Land. Those are the miniature trees that have a birth into Tinker Dog enchantment. This is one of the favorite place to master storytelling.
I don't like the duck.
To inspire new stories. Just on your left, we have the stately manner of Mr. Toad, but unfortunately, friends, he's not in today, but you may find him on the morning car in Fantasyland. And just up the road, we have stories of magic found in the kingdom of Arendelle. Also, please to her ice castle up in the mountains. Oh no, just won't let it go.
See the castle? This is
Nice.
And up ahead is Alpine Village, where the wood carved Jakarta was to hold a surface topic to the son of a 3-year-old boy. And after the local saves her from the belly and launch of the whale, the printer grounds the rest. What's up?
No. It's not.
It's okay, we're gonna under the bridge.
Geppetto's wishes like those made in many fairy tales, from the evil little mermaid named Ariel to follow Prince Eric to his castle on your right, one that inspired her to give up her life in the sea, to fulfill her journey in the big crowded part of the world. And so the guys to comfort waterfall in the underwater Alaska, and pulled out its adventures and the ultimately end, singing happily ever after. Our story comes to an end, and we approach the dock, feeling defeated, and one of the legends